little stroll over to the park. And I'll talk a little more. Is there a car behind me? Nope. Guys, hope you're doing good today. I'm feeling fabulous. I'm outside. Did my 30-minute walk inside. Take me a nice little walk outside. And it's gonna be a great day. I am up in the playground area for the children. And since I feel like a kid, walk across the bridge. Right here for a second. You guys, I feel so good, and I hope you guys have done your 30-minute workout today or plan on doing it. I did mine earlier. I did a 30-minute workout with Leslie Sansone. I'll link the video I worked out with in the description box. Miracle Miles it was called, and it just feels so good to be active, to be on a mission, and it really boosts your confidence in yourself, makes you feel good. I feel so great to be outside. It's a good thing. So I'm gonna get ready and get me something to eat, and I'll show you guys what I'm eating for today. But it's a beautiful day. I ran into a neighbor of mine while I was out there picking weeds out of my driveway. And it's been a great day. It is a great day. I feel so wonderful. Wonderful. Sun's in my face, but it's okay. I want to go down this slide. Should I do it? Okay, I'm going to do it. Here I go. Ouch, I'm hitting my head. Ouch, 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 ouch. I did it. Alright, so head my way back home. Nice little park out here. Kids can play, but as you see, there are no children out here playing. Is that a mushroom? Yep. I'm not going to touch it. Oh, yeah. Oops, I squished it. Uh-oh. That's a big mushroom. It's the only one around here. One humongous mushroom. Ooh, look at more mushrooms. Look at this one. I'm not gonna touch it, but oh, that's cute. Look like an egg. Nice mushrooms. All right, here we go. Oh, look at that car that's coming. Can you guys see that car? Yep, he's coming down this way. On the wrong side of the road, though. So let's see. Nice. Beautiful. Gorgeous. What is that? I just slid in some mud, you guys. I wasn't paying attention. Got some muddy shoes. I just slid in some mud. But look at that car. Wasn't that pretty? Wow. I could have easily went down. But I didn't. Yay, me. It's a wonderful thing that I didn't go down into the ground. La da 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 da. Nice pool. Got a lovely pool here. I've never been in it. You guys see that big old tree over that house? That's my tree. That sucker is huge. It is really, really big. Gives me so much shade in my yard and I love it. But it's hanging over the house and I don't love it. And when the wind's blowing, it's scary. And then we got a swamp down here that's got big old bullfrogs in it making noise. That's a swamp where the water leaks out to the other end. Yep. Here's that big old tree. Look at, isn't it huge? It is humongous. And you don't realize how big it is until you're away from it. And you see how huge it is. I am going to put me a little mayonnaise on this fish fillet with a piece of Swiss cheese on top, a little mayo and mustard on the bun, and this is going to be my lunch. Here's that. And here's the bottom. Mustard. Yeah. And now my sandwich. I would never get this from no McDonald's. This is my homemade fish sandwich. This is my fish sandwich that I am going to be eating today. I'm thinking I should put some relish on it. Let's see. Nope. It's fine just the way it is. Sorry. I just have food all in my mouth. Baby looking at me like, who are you talking to? This is good. I don't normally eat bread, but I forgot I had buns in the freezer. Heat them on the microwave, 15 seconds, they're good to go. So I hope you guys continue on this journey with me. It feels so good. And I'll see you guys in the next video, because I'm going to go and start getting my stuff ready for the marketplace by getting it prepared to put in totes and boxes. So you guys take care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next video. Love you.